Hi dear students, how are you? Today we're going to talk about congruent triangles. Okay, we have here for three questions for warming up. Name all sides of angles and angles of triangle FGH. FGH, I draw here a triangle and call it FGH. Okay, I have here how many angles? 1, 2, 3. What about the sides? I have here FG side, GH side, and HF side. Okay, we have here the second question. He asks me what's true about measure of angle K and measure of angle L and why. Okay, I have here in these two figures, I have here two triangles. Measure of angle J is congruent to measure of angle M. Measure of angle here I is congruent to measure of angle N. So therefore measure of angle K is congruent to measure of angle L. And this is called the third angle theorem. Remember? Okay, what about the third question? What does it mean for two segments to be congruent? Okay, when they are congruent, this means that they have the same length, right? Okay, guys, let's move. Okay, we are going to know here to use the properties of congruent triangles and prove triangles congruent by using definition or congruence. Let's see. So we're going to have corresponding angles, corresponding sides, and congruent polygons. Let's see what we are talking about. Here, the rule here, okay, okay. I can see here, this is the diagram. I have here properties of congruent polygons. Okay, if I have here two triangles, okay, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what do you think here? They are congruent. They are congruent. Why? This is the sign of congruency. Okay, like this. Okay, this means that AB side is equal to what is equal to this corresponding sides and corresponding angles. All angles here, angle A is congruent to angle D. Angle C is congruent to angle F. Angle here B, which has here two signs, is congruent to angle what? Okay, angle E. So all sides here in this first triangle are congruent to what? To the other side, the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. Okay, this is the for the first diagram. I have here the second diagram. As you see, I have here this polygon. It's called PQRS. It's congruent to polygon WXYZ. So can you see here, very important note, because if you don't have the drawings here, you just have here as you see, the letters. So you can say what? The red here letter, which is P and W, are congruent by order, guys, by order. Okay, Q is congruent to X, the blue. R is congruent to Y, and S is congruent to Z. So what about that? This is to write here. It's important to write the letters in the correct order. Why? To know what's congruent to the other, to corresponding other angle or side, okay, without looking at the diagram. And if I see here the sides, I can say, let's see, PQ. When I say here, guys, PQ, WX. Can you see this? QR, QR, okay, Q then R. Second then third letter. Take the second then third letter, X and Y, okay, and so on. It will be easy by solving, my dear students. We have here a helpful hint. Two vertices that are the endpoints of a side are called consecutive vertices. For example, P and Q are consecutive vertices. Let's see here. Okay. This P and Q, I want to show you here. P and Q here. Can you see P and Q? P and Q are consecutive. They come after each other. Consecutive vertices. Okay, let's complete. I have here To name a polygon, write the vertices. This is important, okay? To name a polygon, write the vertices in consecutive order. It's important here. For example, you can name polygon PQRS or QRSP, but SRQB, but not PRQS. In a congruent statement, the order of vertices indicates the corresponding parts. Let's see what I'm talking about. I'm talking here about what? I have to name here this in correct order. I can say PQRS, or I can say SRQP, but I can say PR like this, PRQS. No, of course not. So here for another example, I can say what here, ZWXY or YZWX, but I can say YW then X, right? Okay, I think it's easy, but it's important. Okay, guys, when I see here example 1, naming congruent corresponding parts, I have here what? I have here, if it's given, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STW. Identify all pairs of corresponding congruent parts. This is important and it's easy too. So I can say angle P is congruent to angle S. Angle Q is congruent to angle T. Angle R is congruent to angle W, right? And I can say what else? PQ is congruent, PQ line. Here, segment is congruent to ST segment. And I can say QR segment is congruent to TW segment. And PR, this rhombus, look with me. I can say also PR, what is the marker? PR is congruent to SW, line segment. Okay, guys, easy? I think it's easy. What about this example? If a polygon LMNP is congruent to polygon EFGH, identify all pairs of corresponding congruent parts. Is it easy? The same idea. Angle L with angle E, angle M with angle F, angle N with angle G, angle P with angle H. Okay, guys, and here also the segments LM, EF, NP, GH. What about if I say LP? I take the first letter and the last letter. So take here the same, the first and the last. It will be EH. Okay, guys? Okay, easy? I think it's easy. Let's complete. I have here this example and it seems interesting one. So using corresponding parts to congruent triangles. Let's see. Okay, I have here triangle ABC. Can you see ABC? This triangle ABC. Okay, and I have it's given congruent to DBC. They are here two congruent triangles. Find the value of x. Okay, how can I do so? When he tells me that they are congruent, I know that all sides and all angles are, all the corresponding sides and all the corresponding angles are what? Are congruent. So this is what, and I have here, this is 90 degree. Can you see this? It's very obvious. Here we have 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree. What about this one? Must be the same 90 degree. Okay, guys, we have here this is 90 degree. What about this angle? Also 90 degree. Okay, I have this 90 degree. So you have here, I wanted the marker. I have here 2x, okay, minus 16 equals 90 degree. What should I do now? 2x now, and the 16 goes to the other side by positive. Yes, 90 plus what? 16. Is it easy? Very, very, very easy. Then I have here what? Okay, so then I have here 2x equals what? Yes, it's equal to 106. Then I need just x divided by 2, so it will be 53. So value of x is 53. Okay, guys? Okay, let's move to the other here example. Yes, let's move. Here I have this example. It talks about what? It talks about we have here given two triangles that are congruent. Okay. What do you want me to do? Find measure of angle DBC. DBC, this angle. Okay, okay. What about that? I need here DBC. You know, this is 90 degree. Let's play here geometry. It's very interesting. 90 and here this 190. Okay, 90 and 90. This is 49.3. So what do you think here? So here D will be angle D. What do you think, guys? Okay, it's very easy to know. I have here two ways to know here the angle. He asks me for angle DBC, this one, DBC, this one. Okay, how can I get this one? I have here what? This is 90 given. I will search for a triangle that has two ready angles, okay? Two given angles, 90 and 49.3. So it's very easy to find this one. Let's do it. 90 plus 49.3. Okay? Okay, who can tell me? I have here 180 minus the sum of them, right? So it will give you what, guys? 40.7. So here angle ABC gives you what? 40.7. So therefore, this angle, which is DBC, it's 40.7, my dear students. Why, Miss Dina? Because they are congruent, right? Okay, very, very interesting. Let's complete. Let's complete. What about this example? I have here ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. DEF. Okay, this time, okay, remember when I say they are congruent means all sides and all angles are congruent. All sides to the other corresponding triangle. So I have here it's given AB 2x minus 2. Remember to know what's the required. This is very important in math. He wants me to find the angle of x. Okay, 2x minus 2, I have here AB 2x minus 2. DE in the other triangle, DE 6. So it's easy, miss. 2x minus 2 equals 6. Can I solve this? In one moment, 2x equal 6 plus 2. 2x equal 8, and so just x equal what? Equal 4. Divided by 2, both sides, so x will be 4. Okay, easy? I think it's easy. So let's complete. I have here another example here. The same example, but with another question. Okay, I have here measure of angle, as you see, but I have here triangle ABC and is congruent to triangle is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, what do you want me to do? He asks me to find measure of angle F. Where is F? This is F. Okay, it's easy. I have here what? Look at this. This is 53. This is 90 degree. Can I get the third angle? I know that you can get it now in just one moment. Okay, 53 plus 90, 180 minus 53 plus 90 now, right? Okay, then it will be 37 degrees. Okay, I cheated from here. So it will be 37 degrees, right? Okay, then this is 37. What about here the corresponding here angle, which is, we have here C, so the corresponding is F. And he asks me for F, so F will be 37 degree. Very, very easy, smooth, like the knife in the cake. Okay, let's complete.